if I reload this page, now on preview, so I'm going to show you how to set this auto-playing sound on your Wix website. We're going to come back to the editor. I'll click to come back to the editor. I want to add a new section. And on this new section, I want to come to Elements. And I want to go to Video and Music. And then I want to go to Wix Music. I'll just click this particular widget. And that's it. I have this now on my website. Now the issue is this. I want to do some more customizations here. I could go to Manage Music, Manage Your Music. I'm going to click on Create Single because I want to upload my own music. And you can add the image here. You can add the genre. I'll add the name. I'll just say jazz version, whatever, artist name, unknown, genre pick, all of these. Description, you can do that. I'll click on Save and Add Track. And then I want to add a track. I'll click on Add Track. I'll upload this particular music. It's been uploaded. So I've uploaded that music. So I could just select it. If I play it, you can hear. All right. I could select that and you could add 2 tracks. I'll just leave that for now. I'll close this dashboard and I'll come back to my editable page and I'll come to settings. It's added that jazz track. I'll come to settings and I want to come to settings here and I want it to autoplay on my website. Now I didn't add an album art here, but I could add anything. I'll just go back to Manage Music. I'll click on this and this particular one, edit track info. I could set a file here, a cover picture. I could use any picture from upload. I could upload media. I'll upload from my computer. I'll just use this particular one. So that's now the album art. I'll add it to page. So, and I'll click on save. And if I should now come the info here, if I edit this, I think all is very, very well. I'll just add the same album art here. Add to page. So that is that. And then I'll click on save. I will now close out of this. And you'll see we'll have this album art here when we reload the page. If I play this, anyway, first of all, I'm going to publish. Done. And then if I preview this on mobile, you see it's playing. And you see the album art here. So you can hear it play. I'm just going to pause it. Now, but mind you, this only plays on desktop and on some browsers. It doesn't play everywhere. So that is how to add an auto-playing soundtrack to your Wix website. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and also make sure to post your comment. God bless you. Peace.